I don't know, guys. Feeling like some sort of Disney princess. Maybe the tangled variety. I don't think any of us have lived until you're hosing off cat barf off your daughter's mat near her bed. And then you meet a little friend in the form of a little green hummingbird. He just seems to enjoy bathing in the cat barf shower. So I decided to, fill the bird bath because that might be a little more dignified. He's been flitting around. If this were a Disney, then he would show up with some supreme comic timing. We'll see. Can't stay here all day, buddy. I mean, I know the cats will barf on their rugs again. If I back up a little bit. Oh, he's behind me. He's behind me. Alright. This is your cue, buddy. Your cue for some amazing comedic timing. Cat Barf Waterfall. Brought to you by Disney. Please don't sue me, Disney. I don't have any money. Probably just lost my job. Alright, well, it looks like this video will likely not have an epic conclusion. I will probably just stay on my phone, which is a shame, because he was a really cute little guy. Okay, buddy. Alright, for those of you who have continued watching, I'm going to try one. He seemed to like the water running. So I'm going to move a little bit away. Alright. He does show up. I wonder what we should name him. Put some comments in the suggestion of what this guy deserves a name. Alright, come on, come on. Hey, I just saw him. Or her. Oh, are you thinking about? Oh, you're shy. Okay. You want more cat barf? I mean, it's pretty much hosed off. Okay, there you go. Oh, there's a little bit. Maybe more of this is a fractured fairy tale. You know, little guy, you're making me look pretty stupid right now. I don't need help doing that. Ready? Ready? Oh, I don't know if I moved my camera in time. Alright, well, this was still fun. Now I'm kind of it makes you wonder if he was on the shower in cat barf water. Jeez, how dirty must he be? Alright, well, I guess this was my own flit of fancy. Okay. Comedic timing, and now. And now. And now. I'm not gonna move. Hi, buddy. Well, you know what? I think he just said thank you. and they lived happily ever after.